Welcome back to Full Send Friday, where we bring you a new Cisco Secure Firewall feature each and every week. As you can tell, this week I'm in an office. But ever since the COVID-19 pandemic, that hasn't always been the case. Since the inception of the pandemic, we've had to rethink the way that we interact in and out of the office. This includes the way we architect our solutions for a hybrid work environment. This week we're going to talk about our remote access VPN solution, how we can now cloud manage the solution, as well as continue to manage it through the firewall. I'm going to pass this over to my good friend Emmanuel. He's going to show us how we do it.
Hey everyone, welcome to another Full Saint Friday video. My name is Emmanuel Cano. I'm security consulting engineer, and today I have the pleasure to be with you to talk to you about AnyConnect and Cisco Secure Client. But rather to talk to you and to show you how amazing these two solutions are, I want to share that today we need to take into consideration that Cisco AnyConnect will reach out the end of life and software maintenance support on March 31st, 2024. What does that mean? In this case, we need to consider that after this date, no patches or maintenance releases will be provided to AnyConnect for any of the 4.x versions. But don't worry, we have something really cool to show you today, which is how we can migrate from AnyConnect to Cisco Secure Client in an easy and very quick way. Let me show you how quick we can migrate from one version to the new solution called Cisco Secure Client. Let's jump in. Let's start with the manual update, which is one of the two options that I have for you today to migrate from AnyConnect to Cisco Secure Client. This manual update is one of the options that you can try, but might not be the best option for you in large environment. So in this case, I have my laptop, I have my PC, and I have a Cisco AnyConnect installed. Okay, this is 4.10.04071, right? And I have some of the modules installed already. And here I want to show you where to locate the Cisco AnyConnect folder. Okay, and I wanted to show you where we can find the Cisco umbrella info JSON file. Okay, this is something I have already included. So let's start with the normal and the very basic and manual process. Here I'm just downloaded the Cisco AnyConnect, Cisco Secure Client, sorry, and then I'm selecting these options that I want Cisco Secure Client to install, including the diagnostic and reporting tool. And as you can see, the process and the interface is pretty much similar as with AnyConnect. So here we have, if you are familiar with AnyConnect, well, you should be familiar with Cisco Secure Client. Here I wanted to show you, and I want to show you where to locate the Cisco Secure Client folder. And as you can see, it's going to be a separate folder from AnyConnect and to Cisco Secure Client. However, most of this configuration, and I'm going to show you here in a moment, most of this configuration will still configure in the new Cisco Secure Client. And to show this, I will take the example of any for umbrella. So let's give it a minute. Let's wait until the Cisco Secure Client software finishes to install. Okay, so I'm connected to RTP, so I'm doing a remote desktop connection, and that's why you're seeing my PC got disconnected, but behind the scene is configuring everything related to Cisco Secure Client, so it should be back in a minute. Okay, there we go. So as you can see here, we're still having the folder for AnyConnect, okay? Though we don't have all the information that we used to have, except for umbrella, for example. But if we take a look at Cisco Secure Client, okay, we have all that we have configured, including the Cisco umbrella JSON file. Okay, if we have the Cisco Secure Client, Let's see if that takes effect. And well, as you can see, well, we need to reboot our PC, but as you can see, we have our Cisco Secure client installed without any downtime, without um, any issue. Okay, just to give you information, so we are running the 0.12.42. Might not be the latest version, but you can see we didn't have to change anything from the AnyConnect and Umbrella module. So Umbrella module and the software have been transferred to Cisco Secure Client, and here I'm just restarting the PC so that you can see the malware process on it. Okay, let's check and see how it goes. Okay, let's try to install to log in into, not install, but to log in into the PC again. Okay, let's check this. Since I'm using the RDP, it might not take effect immediately, but rather it might take a couple of minutes. So please bear with me for a second and I will make the connection as soon as my PC gets rebooted. So it might take a couple of seconds here. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, it's taking some time. All right, I think it's gonna work. So put in the user. Let me put the password here. Okay, continue because I don't have the certificate installed on the other PC. Okay, it should be pretty straightforward. You also need to reboot your PC in your case, as we are installing a new Cisco Secure software, or Cisco Secure Client software. But after you install it, the configuration should be finished, should be completed. Let's have a look at it very quickly. Let me close this out. Okay, it will take, since it has been rebooted, it might take some time. So let's give it some time. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, Umbrella is still there. Umbrella is already activated, so you don't need to download nor place the file into the folder. As you can see, we have Cisco Net Access Manager, we have ICE Posture, and we still have Cisco AnyConnect folder in case you've missed any file. You're still able to transfer it. So in this case, what I want to show you very quickly is that we are able to to remove all of the versions of the software, and this is already done. So manual process, pretty easy, pretty quick, and well, you have AnyConnect installed in your PC. All right, let me show you demo number 2, and in this case, for this demo, I'm going to use the Cisco Secure X Insight using RDP. And unfortunately, there is a known issue for those who would like to take advantage of RDP connection to install AnyConnect using this option, because it's going to fail, and I'm going to show you why it's going to fail. So here we have our same PC again with AnyConnect, and here I'm going to show you how easy it is to install it. Again, we have 0471 AnyConnect version. And here I have my Cisco Secure X. So let's click on Insight. Let's click on Deployment Management. Oh, by the way, you can easily, you can easily go into, sorry about that. Let's see if I can make it work again. Okay, well, it's good. Okay, what I was checking is that we have AnyConnect here, and well, you can go to the Insight. Okay, you need to go to deployment. Then later you are going to be able to monitor your PC that has been configured with the Cisco Secure Client. But here I'm just showing you that I have already uploaded the JSON file for Umbrella, created a profile. Okay, and I have also configured a VPN profile that I can use later for my Cisco Secure Client configuration. Okay, this is just for example, and here we need to click on deployment. We are going to create a new deployment management option. I'm gonna call it Full Team Friday. Right here, I don't need to install Cisco Secure Endpoint, but you can do it if you want. Okay, let me just select the AnyConnect VPN, select the umbrella module. So these two modules will be installed along with diagnostic and reporter tool, and I think that's it. Okay, let's click on save. You are gonna have the deployment saved successfully message, and that's all that you need to configure. All right, so let's click on full installer. That's the option, and what's going to happen is that the Cisco Secure X with the inside uh, option will create .exe, which is an executable file that you will need to install it. You will need to execute it in your PC, and then it will automatically install Cisco Secure Client, but it will also install the AnyConnect VPN and umbrella modules for you. Right, let's see this in a minute. So I'm going to download it. The good thing is that you can do it while you are listening to your favorite music. So let me put this, copy and paste it in my PC for RDP. Again, please keep this in mind. If you are using RDP to install this file, well, this is the known issue, and I'm going to show you what the issue is. Okay, so let's give it less than 45 seconds. It's not going to take that much, but let's wait a little bit. Okay, it might take about 5 to 10 additional seconds, but here the good news is that we have time to show you, and we have everything configured for AnyConnect, so you should see what the difference is. So here, let me check very quickly where we are. Okay, we have AMP, we have network, and we have roaming security for umbrella. Okay, let's give one, perhaps 2 additional seconds. It's almost done. Okay, all right, it's already copied. So what I'm going to do is just install it, double click on it, and let's see what happens. For sure, I need to put the username and password because I'm RDP into this PC. Okay, use my username and password, and boom, this is exactly what I wanted to show you. So in this example, even though you are able to transfer the file, the executable file, it's a problem if you are using RDP into the PC. And well, it's a non-issue, and my recommendation is to try it directly into the PC rather than to RDP into it to try to install the Cisco Secure Client. For sure, you can use any massive tool. I don't know. Any software that you use to transfer and to install software to all your computers to install Cisco Secure Client. This is executable, is useful, and has everything that you need to install in just one simple and one small file. Okay, so this is the issue, and well, this is something I want you to avoid. Okay, and the last demo, and it says demo 1, but in fact it's demo 3, is using exactly the same executable from Cisco SecureX Cloud Management, but in this case in another PC directly to install it. So let's see what the difference is. And here I'm going to install exactly the same file, which is Cisco Secure Client full deploy. Okay, full since Friday. This is exactly the file that I want to install. Let's double click on it. Okay, as you can see, we are going to start the module for AnyConnect VPN, diagnostic and reporting, umbrella, and for sure the cloud management. Cloud management will allow us to keep tracking of all the PCs that have been installed, the AnyConnect, but AnyConnect has been installed, and then we are going to track it in a cloud management base. So as you can see, it's only the matter of a couple of seconds where everything gets configured. No need to configure anything additional. No need to configure additional software if we don't want to. It's just a matter of clicking on it, and there you go. You have AnyConnect, VPN, and Umbrella. It's additional. It's the newer version that we installed it into the latest into the latest PC. But here I'm just installing the recommended, but you also have the option to install the latest version of Cisco Secure Client. Okay. Once again, I want to show you where to look at the folder. As always, we have the program data folder that we need to take a look at. And we have Cisco folder, and we also have Cisco Secure Client along with Cisco AnyConnect. Again, looking at the AnyConnect profile, we have AnyConnect profile. We also have the umbrella, which is something I really wanted to show you. Okay, that's something that even though we are installing the newest solution software, we are still keeping our software and our files in the same folder. So there is no disruption for umbrella. There shouldn't be a disruption for umbrella users. Okay, so here I want to show you how easy it is to deploy, how easy it is to migrate for AnyConnect to Cisco Secure Client. Here again, we have until March 31st, 2024 to migrate it, to keep, and to have support from this amazing solution. Thank you, and see you on next Full Saint Friday video.